Hey everyone, how are you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. This is just a follow-up video to my Irresistible Me hair extensions. I know several of you wanted to see the final cut because I told you the ones that they sent me were way too long, and those were the shortest ones they had, but I cut them off and I know a lot of you wanted to kind of see what they look like once they've been cut, and this is what they look like. I cut them. I also did a little bit of in styler curling on them. They performed great, I guess. That's what you have to say. They performed well. They did really well. They are very light. I even was able to kind of thin out a little bit of them. If I was going to order them again, I would definitely get the lightest weight hair. I thought I had thicker hair, but when they sent these extensions, these are for people that have really thick, really beautiful thick hair, and I just don't have that anymore. So I probably should have gone with the, I think 100 gram would have been perfect. These were super easy to cut. Obviously, they're not perfect. I'm not a hairdresser, but I'll show you how I cut mine. I use my trusty hanger. What I would do is I would just hang the longest extension, the one with the 4 clips, on this hanger, and then use my scissors to cut it that way, and then put it back in my hair to see if I like the length, if I still needed more cutting, take it off, put it back on the hanger. That's how I did it. Once I got that base 4 clipped piece in, I put all the other extensions in and just kind of blended them in with the length of that piece. And then once you curl them a little bit, you know, some mistakes can be kind of hidden by curling, you know what I'm saying. So this is my final Irresistible Me hair look. I will do a quick 360 and let you see what they look like. This is the left side. And then we will turn around to this side. And then we will turn around to the back. Now remember, I have super short hair now. It's not easy putting extensions in hair that is short, but it can be done. And honestly, if I went out like this, I don't think anybody would know I had hair extensions in. These feel different to me than when I kind of try wigs on sometimes because I have most of my natural hair rooting here, so it looks like my own hair. It's just that this base has been filled in. When I put a wig on, I just feel like I'm kind of sometimes suffocating all my hair, and sometimes I just feel it looks a little bit, I don't know, on me anyway, I'm a little bit more self-conscious. I would not think twice about going out with these. They're super light. They feel like my own hair. And again, because I have the rooting on the top, you can see my scalp, it looks like my own hair. I will leave all the information for Irresistible Me in the description box. I will also leave the original video that I did in the description box so you can see how short my hair was before I put these extensions in if you missed that video. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.